play the Camplance. So this is the people in our team. We have Rohan, who's me. I'm a full-stack developer. We have Arvind, who's a team organizer. Karthik, who's a front-end developer, and he helped with the pitch and slides. And Rohit, who's a full-stack developer.
What is wellness? Wellness is the habit of practicing exercises and being mentally and physically healthy. Unfortunately, many of today's generation are unhealthy and always on mobile devices. Because of this, people do not have time to explore the outdoors. People need to go outside and exercise to keep their brains and body healthy. We have attempted to solve this problem by creating an app that makes a guide for exploring the wild, like national parks, Yosemite, Death Valley, and etc. What is Camplance? Camplance is an app that shows you popular camping or hiking places around you. You can also record your experience and share it with others on the app to help get the people closest to you explore the outdoors and share the timeless experience with you.
So what tools do we use to solve this problem? So for our server, we use Python, specifically the Flask package for handling API requests. For the database, we use the Replit database for storing user info and hikes info. And for the front-end UI, we use React Native alongside JavaScript. So some challenges we ran into. The first problem we encountered was that our front end was not interacting properly with our backend API. We overcame this problem by writing API docs for the front-end developers to reference when the backend developer is offline. Another issue we encountered was showing the specific image for a particular place from the API. To solve this problem, we queried the image on a case-by-case basis to reduce the initial page render time. Still a bit long, but can be fixed with post-production optimizations and increase the app's overall performance. Writing the backend came with some complex challenges, as we had never used the Replit database before. In addition, trying to read the docs and understanding how to use it took some time and came with much debugging. Ultimately, these challenges made us work together and made our bond as a team members more solid.
So what's the impact of the project? The impact of the project is that people will take initiative to go and explore nature and relieve themselves of stress and gain self-awareness. We want people to have a good time outdoors and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Making people enjoy nature and want to interact with more often is one of the biggest goals of our app.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
App Camplance, and this is an app for planning out your camping trip. So you can sign up and you can enter your credentials and register, or you can log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to go log in. I've entered my credentials and I should log me in. All right. So in this, there are 4 screens that you can navigate to. So there is share your experience, and you can create a new trip with a description, route link, and mileage. So let me create a new trip. I'm going to Half Dome, and the link is google.com, and the mileage is 20 miles. I can submit the link, and I can leave and view my experiences over here. So after that, I can explore new places. Like, pretend I want to go to Arizona and I want to see what's there. So I could look at the different stuff here. So pretend I want to go to the City of Rocks. It gives me a beautiful image of what the City of Rocks is, and a brief description of what is the City of Rocks and why it's important. There are like more than 50 search results here, so every time you exit and come back, there'll be something different for you to look at. So pretend I want to go to Camplance Volcano, and that's the volcano image, and this is brief description. You can also look at the leaderboard. So in the leaderboard, you can see how much everyone has hiked. So Rohan has hiked 13 miles, and those 2 anonymous sus people have hiked 0 miles. Couch potatoes. Okay, and that's it. You can log out here and you can view your account in the account thing. Thank you, and this is our demo.